3 months ago, Jamie had zero clue that AI could make or lose them real money. Today, everything's changed. Let's rewind, because before all this, Jamie lived in Columbus, Ohio, where $34,000 teaching salary didn't go very far. Rent, loans, groceries. Forget saving. But what if AI could fix all that? In January, Jamie found the top search question of 2026, how to make money with AI. Hundreds of articles promised instant cash using bots, most clearly hyped. Some apps had thousands of 5-star reviews, and real users posting legit results. So Jamie set up a challenge, 90 days, $1,000 budget, hands-on with the 5 most hyped AI money tools of 2026. Here's the experiment. Chapter 1, the Contenders 0, 30 if you've Googled AI side hustle. Even once, you know these names. AI copycat claims you can turn 10-minute writing prompts into $500
plus a week by selling auto-generated fiction and scripts online. 2. StockBot Pro AI stock signals tied to Robinhood and Fidelity. Offers 70% win rate on trade. Monthly sub $75. Potential equals unlimited earnings, they say. 3. AdGen Studio AI video ad generator that promises you can resell custom TikTok/YouTube ads to businesses. Good reviews but stiff competition. 4. Auto Resell X AI powered dropshipping. Software automate product listing. Changes prices, even fakes photo backgrounds. 0 experience required. $299 setup. 5. SkillFlip AI turns video summaries into sellable micro courses. Things earn as you learn with their marketplace. 3 tier, but you split revenue 60/40. Goal, could Jamie make any profit with the, or would this be $1,000 down the drain? The internet said passive income is debt, but AI is rewriting the rules, or is it? But next things get weird. Chapter 2, the dirty work 2.0.0. First up, AI copycat. In 30 days, 36 AI generated stories uploaded to Kindle Direct and Fiverr. Earnings $158.38, but $77 went to marketplace fees and upvotes. Net $81, and yes, one buyer demed this sounds AI refund. Next, StockBot Pro. Jamie linked up to Robinhood, set the risk profile to moderate. After 41 trades in 30 days, $567 up, $441 down. Net gain $126, better than bank interest, but the stress, waking up at 2 a.m. to sell now is brutal. Also, as StockBot says, past returns not equal to future results. AdGen Studio, this was a grind. Fake smiling through cold emails to random pizza shops trying to convince them to buy $30 TikTok ad. Only got 4 orders. $120 in plus $31 upsell. 2 refunds, final $83. Results were good enough, but small biz owners hate bot. Here's where it gets interesting. Chapter 3, broken promises and unexpected wins. 4.0.0 4th Auto Resell X. Setup took out. Uploaded 20 random gadgets. Sales 0 in week 1. By week 3, 3 sales, $34 net after $299 setup and ads. That's rough. Then a twist. Auto Resell X flagged 2 trendy products using TikTok data, and Jamie manually listed them on Facebook Marketplace. This time 7 sales in 48 hours. Manual work made more profit than the AI's autopilot. Finally, SkillFlip AI. Here's the surprise MVP. Jamie uploaded 3 short how to use ChatGPT for college video mini courses. The AI remixed them into modules and quizzes. On the SkillFlip Marketplace, 21 paid downloads in 30 days, earning Jamie $211 after their 40% cut. Passive? Kinda, but the trick, pick trending skills, not oversaturated topics, but the real surprise is coming. Chapter 4, the big reveal 6.0.0 in total. Jamie spent about 75 hours and $1,000. End results, AI copycat, $81 StockBot Pro, $126 AdGen Studio, $83 Auto Resell X, $69 SkillFlip AI, $211 total profit, $507. Costs and fees, $1,000. Net, $430. Look closer, SkillFlip is still making 3-4 sales a week. Jamie is still using StockBot Pro, but smaller amounts, and one AdGen client called back to order again. For the next 60 days, Jamie broke even, then hit profit territory. So what did Jamie learn? Chapter 5. The hard truths and what pays 7.0.0. Here's the deal. AI tools in 2026 are powerful, but not perfect. Most won't make instant money with 0 effort. If you treat them like a business, pick tools that fit real market demand, and avoid upfront heavy setups, your odds go up. AI copycat is already oversaturated unless you bring something unique. StockBot Pro is good if you're careful and not greedy, not financial advice. AdGen Studio is best if you have actual sales skill. Auto Resell X is too expensive for beginners. Manual hustle still wins. SkillFlip AI has real potential if you spot topics before everyone else. If you're enjoying this, hit subscribe. We post stories like this every DIY and you don't want to miss the next one. Wrap Up 8.0.0 AI can help you make money online in 2026. But only if you play smart, stay patient, and treat it like a real business, not a gold rush. Full breakdown and links to every tool are in the description. And these were real numbers, no hype, no fake screenshot. If you want the truth about the next wave of AI hustles, this channel's for you. Subscribe and hit the bell. We drop new AI plus money stories every single day. The next story is even crazier. How one college student replaced his side job with a prompt engineer bot and what it cost him. If you like this, watch our deep dive on the top 3 AI passive income myths that just won't die in 2026. See you there.